everyone, you are welcome to my channel Odisa Mathematics. Today I'm solving a question in indices. We are to find the value of k if 1 over k is equal to 2 raised to the power 2048k. So let's see how we are going to do this. Okay, now the variable that we are supposed to find is here and then 1 is here. So it will be appropriate if we are able to put all of them together. So our first responsibility is to get rid of this k so that we bring it to this side. So how do we get rid of this k? To do that, we need to raise the right hand side to the power 1 over k. Now when you do that, you need to do the same thing on the left hand side. So this is how we are. So 1 over k all raised to the power 1 over k, that is the left hand side, and then 2 raised to the power 2048k all raised to the power 1 over k. In this case, k will cancel k, so that we have 1 over k all raised to the power 1 over k, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2048. Now let's do some manipulation here. 2048 can be written as 8 times 256. So if that is the case, then we are going to have 1 over k all raised to the power 1 over k is equal to 2 raised to the power, instead of 2048, write it as 8 times 256. And from indices, a raised to the power mn can be written as a raised to the power m all raised to the power n here. So on the left hand side, we can write 1 over k still the same over 1 over k is equal to 2 raised to the power 8 all raised to the power 256, and 2 raised to the power 8 is the same as 256. So we have 1 over k all raised to the power 1 over k is equal to, this is 256 all raised to the power 256. So when it happened this way, then we can compare. See, 1 over k will be equal to a 256, and then the base here too. So therefore we can say that 1 over k will be equal to 256, and to find it we can cross multiply. 1 will be equal to 256k. We want to find k, to let divide both sides by 256. This will cancel that, so that we have our k to be 1 over 256. Viewers, thank you so much for spending your time watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also click on the notification button so that anytime I drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.